With Christmas just around the corner, I had to get an advent calendar for my stepdaughter. And when I saw this one, I thought it was super cute. This one is the Beauty Blast. I have no idea what is inside. I didn't want to read anything about it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to open a couple of the boxes so that we can kind of get an idea of some of the things that it comes with. So as you can see, they are all labeled, and we go up to 24 because then, of course, 25th is Christmas. So let's just like randomly grab one and go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Let's see how they're wrapped. So everything's like individually wrapped here. Ooh, so we've got like a clear lip gloss. So that one's great. Put that in there. Let's grab one of these long ones here. It's all like makeup themed. Obviously, it's called Beauty Blast, so that definitely makes sense. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh, Citrus Coast. So this is a body mist. Oh, I bet this is going to smell really good. Let me see. This smells like my very expensive brand that I use. So, and this one is inside there. So that is really awesome. Let's pick this nice big one here. Do a couple more just to see. Ooh, nice little powder brush here. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so I don't know. Let's check out the 24th. We've got to have a good one right before Christmas, right? Let's see here. Ooh, a nice mascara. Awesome. So yeah, as you can see, love the packaging. I love all the colors. I love that everything's kind of like different sizes and it all just like fits together like a cute little puzzle. So if you do have a makeup lover in your life, I think this is a super cute advent calendar.